Nasdaq has officially hit all-time highs. Welcome back to Trader Studio. So I'm going to take you guys through a trade that I had this morning on Nasdaq. Right now, the markets are currently open. It's 9:35 a.m. Central Time. So the market's been open for a little bit over an hour. I initially, as you can see here, this is my Trade of 8 account. I'm just going to start with transparency purposes. Right here, as you can see, this is on 5 funded accounts. You can see my equity there. You can see my trade for the day, 110.64 across all 5 accounts there. So as you can see, these little arrows here are obviously my entries and exits. So when market opened, this very first one here is 8:30 a.m. When it opened here, we had this trend line and we had support and resistance. As you can see, I drew all of those out. So as price action was coming up, I saw that the market opened. We initially were down here first, but we didn't break this previous low. So I didn't enter for sells or short, excuse me. And then once we came back up, I saw that we broke this resistance, broke this trend line, broke this previous high. So I entered right here at 24,697 for my buy position with 2 micro contracts. So when I got in the position, I was up a little bit, came back down. We were back up a little bit, was feeling good. I actually went break even, then moved my stop back. And then once I did move my stop back, as you can see, we were out for a total of an $82 loss on one account. So 82 times 5, that is how much we took a loss. So as soon as I took that loss, I was like, okay, that's fine. I've got one more trade left. It's just something that I like to do. I don't ever like to over trade. So I was still watching the market. I saw that we were coming down. I was also looking at, just to bring this over, I was also looking at Nvidia too. I had it on the 5-minute chart. I was kind of keeping an eye on it and seeing what it was doing at the time. I had my VIX up here, and then I could see ES, YM, the Dow, and all that, as you can see here. So I was kind of flipping back and forth between the two. So as soon as I saw that we broke this resistance, or excuse me, this support, this trend line here, and then we broke these previous lows, I entered my position. Now, I was looking at it because we do have this VWAP right here, so I was kind of anticipating it to bounce off of this, but I didn't exit the position, as you can see. Once we got into some decent profit, I did move my stop loss to break even, and then we just continued to go down. Now we broke the VWAP here, and then you can see my exit right here was at 24,604, and then um, that's how I had the 110.64 on one account, which is over 550. Now look at my exit; it is right here at 604 levels. Let's pull up Nasdaq here. If you are new here, you know that we always preach pivot points on this channel. Look at where price action came. It literally kissed this pivot point right here, and then it completely reversed. So it just goes to show how important these pivot points can be. And that was the reason for my exit, which you can see it was for a total of 198 on that one position with 2 micros, which totaled up, since I had that loss, 110.64 for the day.